let's take a look at everything that's inside the VBS 2020 Preschool Starter Kit from Lifeway. Now this is for concrete and crane, so it looks like a tool chest, which is perfect to use as a decoration in your classroom even after you've taken all the goodies outside of it. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the Preschool Starter Kit with a digital add-on, you'll get everything that's included in this box, plus a digital version of each of the leader guides. That includes Bible study and rotations. Let's take a look at everything that's inside the Preschool Starter Kit. Everything is packaged for one classroom of each of our preschool ages in terms of curriculum. So you've got everything you need for one room of babies through 2-year-olds with your leader pack, your leader guide, and then there's a keepsake book, which is the take-home piece for babies 1s and 2s. Then we've got everything we need for one classroom full of 3s through pre-K. So we have the leader pack, we have the leader guide, we also have the preschool activity book. Then it's time to talk about kindergartners or rising first graders. You get everything you need in one easy to open pack. There's a leader guide, there's the leader pack, and you also have a sample of the preschool activity book, which works well for this age too. Now this is kind of a setup. This is one of everything you need, but here's a good rule of thumb. You need one leader pack for every classroom, you need one leader guide for every teacher in that classroom, and you need one activity book for every child. That's how you'll know exactly how much to order. Next up is rotations. We have our 3s through kindergarten rotation pack, which gives you everything you need for missions, music, arts and crafts, and recreation for preschoolers. Then there are some things just to preview, some sample packs for you. One includes all of the craft packs that are available so that you can know if this is something you want to incorporate into your VBS, and you get a sample of all kinds of fun things that are just for kids. There's a memory maker for preschoolers. You get some sticky foam shapes or stickers. There's a pencil topper and even a pencil included. And then the last thing you'll see in the starter kit is a Vbs Catalog, which lets you find all of these wonderful tools and more to make this your best VBS ever.